This 2022 Dutchmen Voltage 3845 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV North Myrtle Beach. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a chrome interior, sleeps 7, and 130 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Dutchmen Voltage 3845 is 14,640 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.